All right, so this is how we are going to snip problems that we do by hand and submit them for AP Calculus. All right, so you do the work, as you can see it here. All right, I've done a very simple calculus problem. You might want to put your name on it and the class, AP BC Calc, you know, S Jack Jack, just a made up name, doesn't really exist. And then the date, me, and the period you're in. Most people forget to do all of those. A little upsetting to me. I would highly recommend against that. And then the problem number, and then your work. Okay? So you get the camera out, you take a picture, bang, there's your picture. And then you hit the button down here and send it to yourself, okay, and just by mail. Another option, can you zoom in and see this, is cam scanner right here, if you want to do that. It's pretty handy, a little butterfly thing. Actually, I'm not sure if this is the one I use. Scannable, Evernote scannable, and it'll grab whatever you want and scan it in from there. We had to do that last year for the AP test. Anyway, you mail it to yourself, screen, and it shows up here from me, and we click on it, and there it is. Now I want to put it in a Google Doc. Everything should be in Google Docs. So keyboard, we do Windows key, Shift S, and it grays out. This is your snipping tool. There's another way to do it. And snip what you want. So I got all of this. Now it is saved. Another way to do it is with the little snipping tool here on the bottom of the screen, but this one's not as fast. I've gotten really quick at this one. Then we go and make sure you have a file that's named, otherwise you're never gonna be able to find these things. And that's my old file. I don't know, yes, actually I did want my old file. BC Calc. And then the chapter you're in, chapter 3, and then I would just put it under quizzes and tests, because that's what this probably would be that you're handing in. And a new Google Doc, you know, label it whatever the quiz is, and then Control V, because you're going to put in a problem, your partner's going to put in a problem, and you want to have it all there. And then you're just going to go and share it with me. I didn't name it, so fine, untitled document. And then change link to Carmel High School is a highly recommended thing, because then anyone in this group, this link can view, not edit, just view. And so you hit copy link and you send it to me, or you can just share it, sure, whatever, and type my name in and go from there. All right, that's it. Hope that works for you.